Where can you add value to someone else to get in the game? I think part of the problem and one of the concerns when people say, I want to get into real estate, I want to get into real estate, they're thinking so big, which is not always a bad thing. Thinking big is not a bad thing, but they're thinking so big, they're skipping some of the smaller steps. And some of the smaller steps are, how can you add value? Maybe you add value to someone and they pay you $2,000. Maybe you add value to someone and they pay you $5,000. Or maybe you add value to someone and they allow you to take equity out of the property so that you can invest in the next deal and then pay that money back. Where can you add value to someone else so that you can get into real estate? I see it all the time. I see messages on here on TikTok and other social platforms, and long form video, short form video, whatever it is, and people are talking about, oh, in my first investing deal I made $150,000, I made $200,000. The truth is, my very first real estate experience was somewhere where I added value and I really didn't make anything on that property, right? But I was allowed to borrow money against it one time, and I returned that money, and that got the ball rolling, because that first fix and flip property where I was able to borrow that money because of the work I was doing for the other property, that first fix and flip property, we took the profits from that to buy our first 3-unit property. We took some money from the 3-unit property to buy another 2-unit property. And that really got the ball rolling. Okay. So where can you add value just to get yourself into a real estate investing deal?